What do you think about reading?
As far as reading goes, I would like to quote a very famous author, Harper Lee.
Okay.
One does not have to love reading because one does not love breathing.
Hi, welcome to Your Opinion or You Opinion. Fatima Bindrawala here. Today we're going to look at what Mumbai has to say about reading. Let's go!
Do you guys read?
Sometimes. I just did.
Not at all.
First 5 words that come to your mind when I say reading.
Boring, sleepy, not a reader, not a reader, not a reader.
Content. Dictionary.
One at a time.
Maybe pictures sometime.
Story. Interesting.
Okay.
Confusing.
Newspaper.
Okay.
Author.
Poems.
Reading पे अच्छा है, इसे लिखोगे तो जरूर लिख के।
Books, vocabulary, hobby, time pass.
Boring. Takes away my time. Time consuming. Okay, I'm lazy. I don't like to concentrate so much while reading.
पढ़ाई करते हो?
Come.
अच्छा.
What come?
Honestly, यार it's best.
Something to do before you sleep, something you do when the electricity is out.
So you read without light?
There's natural light, bro. We live in India. Something to do when you're bored, something you do before assignments because you need to. Something you do to sort of open up your mind because the internet can only help you so much.
If I told you that there was a better way of reading, would you agree with me?
Yes, why not?
I don't have any idea about that.
But
Like how can be there
opinion.
an alternative way to read? Like we just have to read, right? It depends upon the speed of reading, no?
I need a proof and something to rely on.
ये बुक आ रही है Small Steps of Big Reading, ये प्रूफ बनेगा ठीक है? No.
It depends on what you're reading, to be honest. If it's some stupid, like Catcher in the Rye, 16-year-old thing, then you can just skip through
Exactly.
it. And if it's a philosophical paper or something which is needs more thought to it, then it'll obviously take more time. So, if it's about reading the words, then obviously I think I have good speed.
Okay.
Same thought.
Do you also agree that reading faster will increase how you remember stuff?
It depends. If I have a good grasping power and if I read faster, I'll remember. But if I have a bad grasping power and I read slow, then I might understand better.
Depend on the kind of content which we are reading because the content
Yeah.
matters at the end.
Absolutely. If I increase my pace, I'll miss the meaning. So that question is
Okay.
pretty much it.
Same thing?
No, I don't believe that. But I believe that it helps me understand. Maybe.
I'll agree. I shall try to, ask you first. It actually depends. It depends on the matter.
Depends on the matter.
content. Yeah.
No, because then I actually skip over parts and have to read it again.
Do you know that there is a day for reading?
Yeah, I think since we have almost days for everything, so there must be a day for reading known as International Reading Day or something.
World Reading Day.
Yeah.
Okay, so
No, you don't know.
Yeah.
You do. When is it?
Abdul Kalam birthday anniversary.
When is that?
15.
Did you both know?
No.
Okay. Arey wow.
I think so. 15th October.
15th October. Do you know what it's called?
I don't know what it is called.
I actually don't know.
Do you all know what the United Nations has recently declared? It has recently declared one day for reading. Do you all know the date?
When is it?
15th of October, I think.
Right. Okay. So do you all know what is 15th of October otherwise? It is World Reading Day. That is on the occasion of the birth date of... Just a guess. Come on.
No, I don't know.
APJ Abdul Kalam.
So that was Mumbai on reading. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Do check the book Small Steps to Big Reading. It's coming out really soon. It's available for pre-order on Amazon. I'll put the links in the description down below. Also, I would like to thank Tahir from THB Tube for helping me out with this video. His links will be in the description down below too. Lastly, a very happy World Reading Day to everybody. Spread the message of this cherry blossom day, and yeah, happy reading. Till later. Bye.